Ladies and gentlemen, we should continue our lesson about Python programming language. But before continue, we need to check out our understanding about what we already covered. Remember, we already learned the introduction to Python, and also we already learned how to print statements in Python, either print numbers, make operations using print function as a basic skills for beginners, right? So that's why I prepared this short quiz for us so that we can test ourselves and be aware whether we should go on or just still focus on those lessons so that we can get full package about those concepts. So let us start. This is a simple quiz. As you see, there are 10 questions. We should answer 10 questions in this quiz, and you will have only 30 seconds for each question. If you click a correct answer, it becomes green, and if you click the wrong one, it becomes red. Do you see? Then after time ends, correct answer will be shown for each question. If there's 30 seconds and you will get the correct answer in green color, right? So without spending much more time, let's get started. What you need to do is just to write your answer in comment section. Do you see? You just write your answer in comment section. Now let us start. Yes, we already started. Now we already started. Which correct definition of Python program? Here we have Python is interpreter programming language. Python is web application programming. Python is imitated programming language. Python is compiler programming language used to develop a website. So you choose the correct one and write your answer in comment. Do you see the correct answer here is Python is interpreter popular programming language, not compiler programming language, right? Because in Python programming language, the code or just program is executed line by line. That's why we call it interpreter programming language, and of course is a popular one, right? So let us go on the second question. You just click on this next. Now very important question here, and we already learned about it. The extension of Python is, remember we learned the extension of Python. Now the options are CPP, PT, PY, and none. If there is no correct answer, you choose none, right? So choose your correct answer and write it in a comment. Yeah, you see here the correct extension is PY. It stands for Python. Do you see? Because this CPP is for C++, right? So let us go on the second one. Yes, now we have questions saying that what is an output of this piece of code? Here we have a print 2 times 3. This print is function which already ran it. Here is it 8, 15, 6 or 20? Write your answer in comment. Yes, do you see? The correct answer is 6, since we learned how this operator works. It's just multiplication. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Remember in our previous lesson we learned how to print numbers or some operation, mathematical operations using this print function. So this is our correct answer, 6. Now let us go on the next question. Print function is used for display output. Execution of program is used in database management, or none. If you have a correct answer here, write it in your comment, right? So if there is no correct answer, write none in comment. Wow, do you see this print function? We already realized that is used when you want to print any output in Python programming language. So let us go on the next question. Now we have also print function, but with subtraction operator. Print 10 minus 4, which will be an output. Is it 6? Is it 4? Is it 5? Is it 3? So you need to analyze and choose the correct answer, and of course write your correct answer in the comment. Yes, correct answer here is 6, because we take 10 minus 4, which is equal to 6. So let us go on next one. Now here they are asking us that Python is a language, is a browser, is a hardware, or is none. There is no correct answer. So also you read, analyze, and choose the correct answer. Write your answer in the comment section so that you can discuss and get the same understanding. Yes, of course, here we learned that Python is a programming language, popular programming language. So the correct answer here is a language. So on next question, we need also to highlight an output of this piece of code from print function. Print 12/3, which will be a correct answer. Is it 3? Is it 4? Is it 6? Or is it 5? What's your correct answer here? So write your answer in the comment. Let us see the correct. Now correct answer is 4, of course, because we take this 12 divided by 3, which will be 4. On the next one, here is indentation necessary in Python program. Please learn it about indentation and its role in a Python program. Do you agree that this indentation is necessary in a Python program? So either no, yes, sometimes, or I don't know. So you choose here the correct answer and write it in a comment. Yes, indentation is very necessary in Python programming language, not only for readability but also for structuring our program so that it can be executed without any errors. So let us go on next question, where we need to select the correct output of this program. What is an output of print 20 years old? Do you see? So you have options. I have 20 years. Now have 20 years old. 20 years old, or just 20. So you choose the correct answer and write it in a comment. Yes, here the correct answer is this one. 20 years old. Remember, this is how you can print the mixture of numbers and text in Python program, right? This is the syntax. So here correct answer is 20 years old. So let us go on the last question, which is not programming language, right? Here we're going to select which one is not programming language. Is it Python, not programming language? Is it Java? Is it MS Word, Microsoft Word? Is it C++? So you choose one which is not programming language, and this can be answered by everyone. Write your comment. Yes, here the one which is not programming language is Microsoft Word. So thank you. This is our last question. Here, since you got correct answer, you will mark it 10 out of 10, right? For us, cause we no longer make any choice. That's why here is 0 out of 10, but for you, you just put a max out of 10 based on what you got, based on number of correction answer you got, right? So thank you for watching this video. Write your comment in the comment section so that you can access whether you can continue with comment in a Python program, or just if there is some questions you can just first of all hand them, right? So if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues so that they can also learn with us. And if you have any question, please also let us know in the comment section. Thank you. See you in the next lesson, where I will continue our Python programming language with comment, how to use comment in Python programming language.